Overview of XenServer certifications. A guide to choosing the right path. The XenServer certification program stands as a beacon for individuals seeking validation of their expertise in virtualized environments. The XenServer certification hierarchy is designed with a clear progression path, accommodating individuals at various stages of their professional journey. Introduction to XenServer certification program. The XenServer certification program is not just a series of exams. It is a strategic and tiered approach to building expertise in virtualization. From foundational concepts to advanced configurations, the program caters to professionals at different stages of their careers, offering certifications that validate skills and knowledge at various levels. Different levels of XenServer certifications. XenServer Associate Certification. The associate level serves as the entry point into the XenServer certification program. XenServer Professional Certification. Building on the foundation laid by the associate level, the XenServer Professional Certification is geared towards professionals with a more in-depth understanding of virtualization. Target audience for each certification level. XenServer Professional Certification. Mid-level system administrators, IT professionals with some experience in virtualization, who are responsible for managing and optimizing virtualized environments. XenServer Expert Certification. Experienced virtualization professionals. Seasoned professionals with significant experience in virtualization, looking to validate their mastery of XenServer across various domains. Benefits of XenServer certifications for IT professionals. XenServer certifications offer a multitude of benefits for IT professionals, serving as a powerful endorsement of their expertise in managing virtualized environments. XenServer certifications is not merely an academic pursuit. It involves a structured learning path that combines theoretical knowledge with practical application. Comparison with other virtualization certifications. One notable aspect is the flexibility offered by XenServer in terms of cost. XenServer's open-source nature allows individuals to access its core functionalities without incurring significant expenses. XenServer certifications and other virtualization certifications involves considerations of cost, community support, technical capabilities, and the breadth of the curriculum. XenServer certification prerequisites. XenServer Associate. CXSA. There are typically no strict prerequisites for the associate level. Basic knowledge of IT concepts and a general understanding of virtualization fundamentals are beneficial. XenServer Professional. CXSP. Holding the XenServer Professional certification is often a prerequisite. Equivalent knowledge and experience in virtualization may be accepted. Overview of XenServer certification exams. The XenServer certification program, administered by Citrix, offers a series of exams designed to assess and validate the skills of IT professionals in effectively managing virtualized environments using XenServer. Specialized XenServer certifications and their significance. Citrix has primarily focused on the XenServer Associate, CXSA, XenServer Professional, CXSP, and XenServer Expert, CXSE, certifications. These certifications cover a broad spectrum of XenServer knowledge from foundational to advanced levels. Certification renewal and continuing education. Certification renewal and continuing education are integral components of maintaining professional certifications, ensuring that certified individuals stay current with evolving technologies and industry best practices. Certification renewal may also involve the payment of renewal fees, which help support the administration and maintenance of certification programs. Conclusion. In conclusion, the XenServer certification program stands as a dynamic and impactful pathway for IT professionals navigating the complexities of virtualization. The program's emphasis on hands-on experience, practical application, and community engagement contributes to the holistic development of certified professionals.